The way I said it was like, yeah, that's a big deal. Because he was like, oh, I'm number 3rd in the world. And I'm like, oh.
C class, sandbag.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm 135 pounds. How much you weigh?
Oh, I've already got it hammered. Well, you ain't riding it.
Oh. I got that. Same corner.
Yo, you still out there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, I'm gonna need you to help me out with the tightening my chain up.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, I'll be over there in a bit. Give me like 20 minutes.
Sounds good.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Hey, one time like, two time like, hey, let me pop up. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper.
I just did one lap. It's all muddy out there right now. It rained real hard yesterday, huh?
Yeah. It'll be good though. Once you get on the track, you kind of get all
Like a big burst of air just coming in while you're in the air.
Yeah, you don't want that.
I mean, crashed hard. You recovered?
It's still like there. Not as bad, but it's rideable. Probably not really fast, but we'll see. I only did one lap, so I gotta see how it goes.
What do you got in here?
Like a rooster, chest protector.
Ah, okay, because I was like, what the hell is that?
Yeah.
Chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any food package.
You got me with the chain real quick?
This is the tool. We all come with this tool right here. You see this? This is the chain adjuster. Stick this tool here on your chain slider at key, and you want a 3-finger gap. Basic fundamentals of.
There you go.
When you adjust the other side, it might throw it off a little bit. Dip both sides and then check it. How would that work? But it's pretty damn close.
Yeah, right.
Work it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it cracking at the crib. We some ghetto boys now, nigga lacking where I live. I might ride around my side of town, I'm flexing, feeling fancy. Just filled up my stomach, I got extra in the pantry. Getting top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a fuck about my freedom and my family. About the mud like a mineral. Riding with them soldiers, they salute me like a general.
Hey, get me on some video.
Huh?
Get me on that triple.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. You saw that triple?
Go for it.
Ain't no flexing, niggas, fuck you think I'm
muscling it out real bad, bro. Ah, I got arm pump so bad. Is the other track open already?
Should be.
Let's go over there. Let's go to the other track. I had my warm up. The other one has bigger jumps. This one I can't catch traction. Y'all went 2 laps. Y'all went 2 laps. Watch I get off.
Well, I mean, it's not rough, but it's rough on my arm. I felt like my front tire was flat because it was so soft.
Out there because it rained.
You gotta lean on the back of that seat because that tire is just gonna spin. You just gotta.
So you couldn't even make it through the big jumps, huh?
I could. I was gonna do it, but I got off.
It feels too sketchy.
I'm gonna do it before I leave, though. I can't leave on a bad note.
Going out there right now.
See?
Hell yeah. Let me see. YouTube. Okay, you got it. Did you fall?
No.
No? Man, I could have said yes. What have made my
For the views.
Did you fail?
Did you? Yeah, I think so.
Go, Alex. I'm gonna get you next. You better go right with pride, boy. I mean, not too much pride.
Only time I fail is at school.
This boy, right? I didn't get this part, but this man literally told this man, like, hey, you selling it? Like, no. Well, you ain't riding it. Let's go!
Bro, what the f?
Look at that blood flow over here, bro. I have a pinky.
That was cold!
No, you ain't letting that blood up.
Why is it so cold? Oh, God!
You have no blood going to that pinky.
Why?
Bro.
Cut the blood flow off. These things.
Yeah.
So they were forced down there. That means you're bottoming out all the time. I mean, you want to use all your suspension one time around the track, and then, but if you're going through the whoops and you're bouncing, that's why it's coming back, and the rebound isn't letting you, like, by the time you're trying to jump the jump, you're already bottoming out.
Yeah.
So when you're at the face of the jump, it's messing up your whole experience.
So that's why I can't clear it sometimes.
Exactly.
Because the Huskies have like a soft
because you're already down here. You need to be up here when you're, so you have room. So when you land, you're straight. And then when you're at the face, you're good. So you grip it, and you need to grip just with your knees a little bit more, and that's it.
All right, so we're gonna have to adjust the shocks in the back because they're just too soft.
them too.
I'll do it next one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Next one, because right now I
It's
just want to have a
clickers
good.
too. They're right here, dude.
Yeah.
Those clickers right there. That's what they're for.
All right, well this is gonna be my last one.
All right, cool.
All right,
Here we go.
well,
I got you on the
fix
footage.
that.
That's what I meant about that suspension right there. Saw the difference of those two bikes? That's what I meant. Now watch the difference of the triple section.
after 3 runs. Honestly, the first one I was like, fuck, it's bad out there. Yeah, thought I was gonna fall like I usually do, but I always learn from that and I get stronger. I got an arm pump.
Yeah. You gotta sit on the back of the bike.
Yeah, that's what I was doing after this, like on the second one. Then
Like
I
I was
started doing
sitting,
it.
like I was like this almost a lot of the track, just to keep that back wheel gripping.
I
You
couldn't
see all
do
those
it.
lines and it with you.
Yeah, and I'm like, I can't fucking do it. I don't know if I can. I'm catching traction or something.
I know, cause you start spinning out. You gotta lean back on that motherfucker.
Yeah, no, I'm ready. I got the coffee in me.
I didn't want to get off the bike. I was like waiting.
You didn't even want to go on the second. How many laps did you go over there?
I just did 1. What?
Yeah, man was just chilling.
Oh
You know, you got an excuse just because you fell last time.
no. Hey,
You better redeem yourself.
I'm gonna keep it right here. I'm gonna clear this table.
I'm gonna clear. Wait, which one? The one over there or the one over there? Which one?
Big one.
The big one? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Big race, I didn't do that. And then the like second lap, I was like,
This man said, hey, follow me on the GoPro, record and such. And I'm like, okay. And then he's like, yeah, cause I'm a big deal. Well, not a big deal. He didn't say that part, but he was like, the way I said it was like, yeah, it's a big deal. Cause he was like, oh, I'm number 3rd in the world. I'm like, oh,
C class. This is sandbag.
okay. The only way I can capture him is by recording him with my zoom lens. I captured y'all, Alex. Just when you started getting a little weak on the bike, I was recording. You didn't show no effort.
Really?
You gotta go back on there, bro. I know your arm pull was hurting that, but you gotta go back out there.
Hey, all I gotta say is you got 2-stroke. Think about it.
4-stroke. I'm broke.
No, what? This is cheaper.
I don't
This
need
is
that
way
maintenance.
Cheaper.
Nah,
Oh, maintenance.
Yeah, but like after like I don't know how many runs, and then you have to
Nah, I
pay your money.
Everything's cheaper though.
Dude, I do it cheaper.
Yeah.
I do it on top ends at 50 hours.
So like my top end is at 50 hours. Well, it was supposed to be 45, but I'm gonna hit it to 50, and it's like 1,800, 1,200.
See, mine's $200.
Yeah, but I do it one time and that's it.
What?
And that's all I have to worry about.
All right.
last long.
They do last longer,
Everything
don't get
on
me
a
wrong.
Everything on a 2-stroke's cheaper.
It's just so much cheaper.
Yeah, but I don't have time to start fucking with it because
Yeah. It's work. Yeah, you gotta be.
Plus, I have to know what I'm doing. Right now, I'm just like having fun with the experience,
That's
just
what-
owning it, and then
what
later
it's
on I'll
about.
get one. You know, like I'll get one.
That's what it's about.
Because I do like the torque on it. I already rode a friend of mine's little fucking dirt bike,
You can ride
2-stroke.
mine.
Now I'm
Just
scared.
around here, just fucking putt around.
All right, here.
Come on, let's get them. That's how we do. Now it's the stock. It's bone stock besides the suspension.
I hope you know how to kickstart.
Yeah.
My first bike was a kickstart.
Okay, then you got it. That's a lot of compression in that. So.
Yeah, I saw you struggle.
Yeah, I'm 135 pounds. How much you weigh?
Damn.
Come on.
I've already got it hammered.
If you can't start it, you can't ride it. You got it?
Goddamn.
Come on. I'm smaller than you. There we go. Now she's fired up. Watch that clutch.
Just hold it, dog. It's wide open. Point and shoot.
Point and shoot. You don't got to zoom and all that. Dusting everyone out. There we go. There she is. Oh yeah.
Hell, man, this goes.
Stock.
This thing goes, bro.
Stock too. You should ride my race bike.
Torque, and I figure out the like how it goes and stuff.
The power band.
The power band.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh hell no! Like I was already losing traction right there. You know what? Nah, you got it.
All right.
Man,
Hey,
for
now watch.
starters-
What I'll say though, this is what I like about it. Watch when you pick this thing up.
Yeah, I'm not.
Now watch when you pick it up. You got it. Way lighter, ain't it?
That's just scary, bro. I mean, you're number 3rd in the world.
Yeah,
Of course,
C
it's a
class.
250
It's C
two-stroke.
class.
I'll stick to my 4-stroke for now. Fuck that. Funny. What? Bro, this is a family establishment. Chill.
People here.
Take that vape out the way. Bro, yeah, your truck got wrecked, huh? Got hit by a deer. You hit a deer.
Just one deer.
I mean, it was hunting season.
That's what I was thinking. It was hunting a Chevy.
It was hunting.
Chill.
Some food right now. I'm getting hungry. I'm hungry. Look at them bikes. What?
Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're at Williamson.
Check it out.
Check out his
it
YouTube
out.
channel. And my truck, my baby, my sexy baby with the husky in the back with street legal dirt bike.